Hi, Genesis Fisher here from Fisher Law Practice. We protect your freedom and your future. Today's post is about how do you find the right criminal defense attorney for you? It's a big question. People ask me all the time. And it comes down to 3 or 4 big questions. So the first is, can you talk to this attorney? Okay? Do you feel comfortable talking to them about everything to do with your case and honestly everything to do with your life? Because criminal cases can have a big impact on your personal life, from immigration to employment, honestly even divorce and separation. Criminal cases can have an enormous impact, and you want to be able to tell your attorney everything. So whether or not you want an attorney who is really aggressive and that works better for you and you feel comfortable talking to them, or whether or not you want someone who's calm, collected, reassuring, whatever you need, make sure that the demeanor of the attorney and the conversations are really comfortable. So the second part, you have to find someone with experience, okay? In criminal case, let me backtrack. In the legal field, there are 2 types of cases. One is civil and one is criminal, okay? Civil cases are where you're suing for money, you're suing for damages, you're suing to get your house back or something like that, right? That's very important, and I'm not taking away from that. But in a criminal case, you're talking about your freedom. You're talking about whether or not you're going to be in handcuffs. You're talking about whether or not you're going to be behind bars for days or months or years. And you're also talking about your criminal record, something that's going to follow you for the rest of your life. So because the stakes are so high, you want to make sure that you have someone, that you hire an attorney with experience. And it's best to hire an attorney with experience in that state, in that county, and even in that city. Okay, so the more you can hone in on the experience, the better. The third thing is that you want to make sure your attorney has a range of skills. Okay, some attorneys are good at speaking to clients, like we just talked about. Some attorneys are good at writing. Some attorneys are good at talking to judges. Some attorneys are good at negotiating pleas. Some attorneys are kind of 1 or 2 notes, okay? And then there are other attorneys out there who actually have all of those skills. Okay, so when you sit down and speak with an attorney, ask them, what is their experience with writing? What is their experience with arguing in front of a judge? What is their experience? Do they have trial or hearing experience? Do they have experience negotiating really great pleas for their clients? And how do they do that? Okay, so these are the questions that you may want to ask the attorney when you sit down with them in order to find the attorney that's the right fit for you.